So loves it started by Wizkid answering his fans with Davido's video. I don't know when that video came out, but Wizkid did that, and that's how the fight started. Then he also came for Donjazzy. Meanwhile, the video of him eating Donjazzy's burger one time surfaced on the social media when all these things were going on. So being that Donjazzy saw the tweet, he now responded, and that was his response. Guys, it was a long response. People digged out when he wished Donjazzy happy birthday. So the fight continued between Davido and Wizkid. You can keep reading that from my screen. So if Davido talks, Wizkid fires back, and Wizkid talks, Davido fires back. So they were going on and on, off and on. So some celebrities started putting out. Meanwhile, Timaya now had to shun his PA, who was using his handle to tweet about what Wizkid and Davido was doing. You can read that from my screen. Then Tenny had something to say. Listen, guys.
Maybe we cut ourselves outside. You want to go? Yeah. Yeah, star. Akpadeni no I star. No I star pa. No be I star. Who are physical no be the way we go dey say ourselves say for fish. Ele ta ma rira wa ta ma jese sira wa gidi ni pe to savage. You be already. You never shop. Now you dey put part for Wizkid and Davido matter. Eh? You never shop oh. You never shop. Say you don't shop. Oh yeah, drop your account number. Make I next time. Come.
So that's how Tasha spoke to. Listen.
Will be tolerated. Donjazzy's impact in the entertainment industry can never be overemphasized, because if you have to take off Donjazzy's input in the industry, that will be you taking over half of Afrobeat away, because who would you be listening to? Donjazzy has groomed loads and loads of global superstars, and this is somebody that doesn't just restrict his generosity to just the music industry alone. Donjazzy is there for everybody. That's somebody you can come and be like, I need to meet up with you, or I have an issue, let's talk about this, and he would give you a listening ear, even without your status or without who you are. He's there for everybody, promoting people. Lots of big artists, a lot of them, what do they use their Instagram to do? They'll be doing mysterious, I can't post if it's not, they will post their project is a problem. But
so nobody won't agree for anybody. Everybody now has opinion about the whole situation. I mean, Donjazzy is a cool guy. I don't know how Bullet just decided to shoot the guy, and some were attacked for the kind of response they were giving about the whole situation. Do you get? So but you can read that on my screen. You can see what people have to say about it. But at the end of the day, he was just having fun and wishing his wife Chioma happy birthday amidst this whole saga that has been going on. So guys, what do you actually think? Is it even necessary? This beef has been so long. I don't know why Davido and Wizkid is so hard for them to be together, and I think it's from Wizkid end. I don't know what he has. Please don't come for me. I'm just saying, because it seems as Davido is a peaceful person. So that's how I now came across Kizz Dañîmêľ Tekno's own. Guys, just look and tell me what you think. And if you've watched to this point, thank you guys so much. And if you're new here, please kindly click on the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're not a subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. I'll keep giving you the gist back to back. See you guys. Bye.